Hello. In this section we'll explore all the features available to you as an admin. The first section is the dashboard. This page provides a comprehensive overview of your directory's performance, as it includes key metrics such as the number of items in each section and the total number of users so far. We can also see statistics like today's visitors and their average. Below you will find this week's top visitors and their corresponding countries. We have also charts that show the number of visitors and items over time. Finally, there is a small recent users section displaying names, profile pictures, emails and countries for the latest users. Moving on to the items page, you will find a table listing all the items added by you or your users. The table includes columns for the author, the section the item belongs to, whether it's featured, verified, or its current status approved, pending, or rejected. You can customize the table by adding more columns, such as the date an item was added. And by the way, I plan to include this feature in the next version, as it is really quite useful. There are three main actions you can perform on each item. First, you can update the approval status or toggle featured and verified options. After making changes, just click confirm. When approving or rejecting an item, you can choose whether to send an email to the user, informing them of the status updates. If any modification were made to their item, for example, like fixing an improperly uploaded image, you can include those details in the email. Here is an example of the approval email the user will receive. And similarly, for rejected items, you can attach a reason for the rejection. The rejection email will look like this. And yeah, you can also edit the item by modifying any other field, such as the name, description, images, and so on. And finally, you can of course delete the item as well. And in addition to all of that, you can perform certain bulk actions, such as updating the status or deleting multiple items at once. There is also a search field to quickly locate specific items. Well, yeah, that covers the items section. Now let's move on to the reviews page. This table displays all reviews submitted by the user. You can approve, reject by changing their status, or delete them by clicking the delete button. And yeah, bulk actions are also supported, so you can process multiple reviews at once. And that's all for this one. In the users table, you can access essential details for each user, such as their email, country, and the role. For example, is it a client or admin or even a partner? You can also perform actions like removing users or editing their roles. Next is the task manager, which is a sample Kanban board where you can add and manage tasks or notes for future actions. Finally, we have the profile section. Here users can update their names, profile pictures, or change their passwords if they're registered using their credentials. And for enhanced security, users can easily enable two-factor authentication. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one, God willing.